Hi Peter, this is AJ Hauser. I just want to say congratulations on the launch of your new site. It looks great. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to show you how to use NewView to quickly add the rest of your content and add new properties when they become available. If you see this button right here on your website, if you click on it, it comes over to the properties page. You can quickly add summary boxes here, and you can set up pages like this to show the details of the property. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over to our website. You're going to click on NewView Login. That'll bring you here. You're going to plug in the login and password we sent you. Click Sign Me In. Now when you get to the dashboard, you'll see several things. You'll see Edit Site. This is what you click on if you want to make changes to your current site. Site Pages shows you the sitemap. If you want to add a new page, this is where you go. Manage Images and Manage Documents are where images you upload and documents you upload are stored. Manage Templates, you won't really have to worry about that too much unless you're creating new templates, and Help is just help. So what you want to do is first go to the different pages of the site and add your content. So you click on Edit Site, and anything that's editable within NewView will have one of these edit balloons around it. If you mouse over, you can see it highlights the area that it corresponds to. So for example, let's say we want to edit this title. Make your changes, click OK. Let's say we want to edit this text. Make changes, click OK. Once you get done working with different areas of a page, you come up here to Page Actions and choose Publish. What that'll do is it'll actually save the file, it'll load it up on your server, so if we come back over to the live site and refresh the page, there's your changes. Now let's undo those changes real quick. Come back into NewView, click Edit, pull this out, OK, click Edit, pull this out, OK, Page Actions, Publish. That'll save it, put it up on the server. If we come back to the live site and hit refresh, those changes are there. So what I would suggest you do is navigate through to these other pages. You navigate just like you would in a browser. Add your contact title and contact information. We'll get to properties in a second. And on the application page, there's a title and there's a line. And what we have here is just a simple contact form. Please go and submit this to make sure that it comes through to your email and doesn't end up in your spam folder. We didn't put the full application on here because it's several pages long and that would take quite a bit of time. So if that's something you want online for people to fill out, let us know and we'll have to quote that separate because that's a pretty substantial amount of work. On the properties page, I'm going to show you how to quickly add and edit properties. Right here is just a standard edit balloon. You can see you can change the title. And then right here we have this little summary of a property. If I mouse over this to the right here, I get this little menu to pop up that says repeat, plus, minus, up and down. This is what's called a repeating region. If you click plus, it creates a copy of what you were just in. You click plus here, create copy, create minus, or click minus, excuse me, and then come up here to publish. Hop over to live site, properties. See, now we have two. So I would suggest you only add one at a time, or add one and reorganize them. If we click up or down, we can move this section up and down. And then you can go through to each part and change it like you would normally. Right here, where it says View Details, this is where you add a link to the new pages that you add. I'm going to show you how to do that in 1 second. Right here we have an image. If you click on this edit balloon, it opens up your image manager. Because you have no images upload, the only option is to upload a new image. So let's do that. Let's pick this sample image and open. And what NewView is going to do is it's going to say we need to crop your image to keep it the same size. So select your area and click Finish. That pops in our new image. Page Actions, Publish. Come back over here. Refresh, there's our new image. So now, on the View Details page, right now we have this simple template set up. you can add new pictures and add the description of the properties. The way you will do that is if we close the edit window, come over here to Site Pages. Let's say we want to add a new property. We're going to click on Create New Page. We're going to give it a name, Property 1, and then where it says Select or Page Template, we're just going to go with New Listing Page. Click Create. It's going to say, hey, you're going to want to add a file extension here. Go with .php. Puts it in there by default. So go ahead and copy this. Click Create. So now it's going to bring up our new php-homes.com property1.php. Make your changes. We're only going to make this change. You can add the description, status, availability. You can put links to video walkthroughs here. And then here you can add pictures. Now this picture is set up similar to the repeating region on the other page. If you want to add a new picture, click a little plus button, makes a copy. Click on it, open up your image manager. I want to select the same picture. It's going to ask you to crop it. Click Finish. Let's make a copy of that. And let's move this one to the left. There we go, looks good. Page actions. So let's publish property1.php. Now what we want to do is we want to come over to the properties listing. And we want to link this new summary link right here to our new page. So we're going to click Edit. Text, we'll just leave text the way it is. URL, all we want to change, instead of property-template.php, we just want to plug in the name of that new page that we created, property1.php. We might also be able to get to it from here if you click Select Page. Then you get a list of the pages on the site. So you could say we want to do property1.php. Click OK. And then it'll plug the whole link in. This whole link or just the name of the document will work. So we're going to click OK. And now we're going to publish this page. We're going to come back over to the live site, back to properties, down to our new listing, click View Details. Here's our new page. Here's our new images. And like I said, you can use NewView to go in, add some links to videos, type a description up here. So you can use this process to quickly add and reorganize and keep up to date all of your different property listings. So again, what I would suggest you do is go through the site, add in all the content. It's live right now. And I think there's only 3 pages in the properties page, so it shouldn't take you that long. If you have any questions, let us know, but other than that, you should be good to go. So have fun using NewView.